Past perfect tense versus past perfect progressive tense daw. Sige, let's compare. Ang kaibahan lang ng past perfect at past perfect progressive ay yung progressive dito. Pareho silang past perfect, meaning prior to past or before the past. Pero dito, sa past perfect lang, merong isang completed na action prior to past or before the past. Dito naman, merong progressive, kaya merong isang ongoing na action prior to past. Let's have print as our main verb. Past perfect muna. I had printed all the documents before the ink ran out. So, meron tayo ditong had printed, which is had plus past participle ng main verb natin na print. Kaya, past perfect yung ginamit natin dito kasi yung pagpiprint niya nangyari or nakumpleto before another past action, which is yung ran out. Completed past action, nakaprint na siya, and then another past action here. So again, this completed action prior to another past action. Past perfect progressive naman, anong itsura niya? I had been printing for hours, so the ink ran out. Gumamit tayo ng had been printing dito. Had been plus verb in ing form, which is our past perfect progressive. Dito, ang main clue natin is meron kasing 4 hours. Itong 4 hours na to, it's a duration, it's a period of time kung kailan ongoing itong first na action natin. So, hindi lang siya basta completed, hina-highlight dito na in progress or ongoing yung pagpiprint niya 4 hours. So, maraming oras na siya nagpiprint. Kaya raw, nag-run out yung ink. Dito, printing na siya for hours. Matagal na siyang nagpiprint, ongoing yung pipiprint niya, prior doon sa pagkaubos ng tinta. So, again, we have an ongoing past action prior to another past action. Sige, note na nga rin natin yung formulas nila. Pag past perfect, had plus past participle ng main verb. Kapag naman past perfect progressive, had been plus verb in ing form. Ayun silang dalawa.